Thokozani Emakhosini, Thokozani, everyone that is watching this video. So guys, story time. I know it's been a while being hambile. Being yamalele. I'm so busy with a lot of stuff and I'm still busy, but I'm trying to balance everything, ngalana Instagram, ngalana TikTok, ngalana YouTube, ngalana it's Indumba and my personal life as well. So but until the balance, guys, okay, I still call up. So ngalilila ngabe ngedropini ngihlangana na this other man ne. This other man uthi kimi Thokoza Khehla yabo. I'm like, Thokozani ninjani? Athi siyaphila. So he's like, uyasebenza na? Ngithi mina yeah ngiyasebenza, but you know ukuthi vele like tinto te lona te tasendumbini tiyahlupha spiritual things, like spirituality vele like into atikho easy when it comes to that yabo. I say kimi yeah ngiya-understand, but into lebe ngifuna ukutshela yona ukuthi yeah mina ngiyasebenza and mina ngiyathwasisa mina nje ungedala ngihlala khona, like I've got a lot of umathwasane Ndumba, it's in and out nje siphithiphithi yabo. So ngathi mina okay ngiyakuva Khehla, but you know ukuthi when it comes to these things into takhona ticala kahle kancane because mina angikathwali yabo, angikathwali and ngisayifunza le ndlela because angeke uyifunze ngelanga leli one yabo. So hale Khehla lithi hayi gogo ithi mina ngikutshele imfihlakalo yabo, ngitshele imfihlakalo ya others ngathini yebudloti ngiyibeke njalo yabo. Athi hayi kuze thina khona ukuthi tikhambele kahle, like vele fana ube nesigubhu sikhona ukuthi nesikudonsele emathwasa, sikudonsele ema client like fana ngibe nesithwalo, you know like net kubheka izama ukuthi ayikhukha ngalenye indlela yabo. I'm like ngiyakuva uthi kwenzakalani yabo, trying to understand kahle ukuthi kahle uzama kuthini. Athi no like into lengiyibonako ukuthi wena kumele ukuthi ufike la ngihlala khona, ngitokhona ukuthi ngikwendele kwakho nawe ngiyabayendela vele bogogo labaningi bantu laba famous and all that. I'm like okay, I didn't want to be rude. I was like, okay, uhlala kuphi and all that, and he was like, ngihlala, I remember if I'm not mistaken, he's like, ngihlala eNhlazatshe. I'm like, okay. And then the funny part was that bekangahambi yedwa, behamba no this other intombazane nje lencane like girlfriend, yeah, lena Khehla. So athi yeah ukuze ungawari ngitokendela tina takho tisheshe imali itongena nje siphithiphithi and all that yabo. I was like, hi ungawari Khehla, give me your number and I'm gonna call you when I am coming yabo. Ngiyalidinga vele leli sito, if you know my personality, if you know me. Asat. So I was like, yeah, give me the number, nginike ngozwari nginike like yo ngiyakudinga vele. So I wanginika vele number yakhe and then wahamba na this girl. How? This thing ngidismissile khathi ngisasedrobheni, and then when I got home I was like, Sathane wangilinga kangaka. Sathane wangilinga kangaka. Like, you think I'm that stupid? You think I'm that foolish? Angazi ukuthi ngidotini. So with this story that I've shared with you guys, in the living zama kunitshela yona ukuthi lasatonukhohlisa, and if lendlela uyihamba kahle awafaka ngatigubhu kudinele kudonsela anything but mandloti akho naNkulunkulu. You understand? When uyathanda sathi into tindakale awudzingi isigubhu. So nonguthi usayihamba kahle utolingwa hey utolingwa nangaphandle utolingwa nkosi yami. So guys, be careful, be very 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 careful. And baton linga and baton heha, baton combat imoto, baton combat imali, baton combat whatever. Skat sakho nasasifile asidinga isigubhu so thokozani emakhosini. Bye.